I'll be back with another video. Quarantine. I know it's gonna be a very long time. Gonna be all locked up and everything. So content will be dropping much more.
Yeah.
I've got butter. And I've got some mixed chocolate chips. They feel like they're all hard. I'm gonna get a discount for that. And I'll get that. And I'll get some.
I promise not to infect you. Okay.
On the chip and pin. Press for a receipt.
Got some ingredients. We're gonna be making some microwave cookie dough that I saw online that I just wanted to remake, and I thought, why not just film it? Yes, comment down below if you have any suggestions for what next videos you want to see. Love the feedback so far. I hope you guys are enjoying my channel, and also follow up my socials so we can be friends. People that also relate to me will understand that I'm just a young lady just trying to make it out, but also inspire other young kids that don't be afraid to go and do anything, get chase your dreams, or that trying, you dig. You want to mix until you have a creamy, smooth, but thick consistency, which I'll show you next. It can be melted, or it can be already just chuck it in. So I'm just going to chuck it in because I have 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. So I'm mixing 1 tablespoon of sugar. Consistency that you want. This is the consistency that you want before you put in your chocolate chips. On that, and then that will be it done. Alright, so it's alright or whatever, like it's okay, I give it like a 5. I'm not gonna lie, I'll give it like a 5. So make sure you guys like and subscribe this video. Comment down below next videos that I should do. Follow me on all the socials, they'll be here. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned, guys. This the cookie dough. Yeah? Okay, give me that. Taste them, taste some, taste some, taste some. Get the ice cream as well, yeah. Okay, from 1 to 10, how nice is it? You're munching away.
That tastes nice.
Okay, tell me from 1 to 10, how much you enjoy it.
5.
5. That's decent.